Here's how to change from a public profile account back to a personal profile account on your Snapchat account. So the very first thing that you need to do is go ahead and go into your Google Play Store or your iPhone App Store, and then you want to find Snapchat. And then you want to find a button that says update, where you want to update Snapchat to the latest version. So in case that you cannot find a button that says update, that means it's already completely updated to the latest version. So we can just go ahead and click on the open button. Now, once you open up your newly fresh Snapchat, you want to click on your profile on the top left-hand side. That's going to bring you over to your profile page. And if you scroll down under Snapchat Plus, you can find an option that says My Public Profile. So I want to click on My Public Profile. And so you can see now your public profile. You can see all your followers, see everything. And essentially all you have to do from here is click on the three dots on the top right-hand side. Now it says profile settings. There's going to be a bunch of different options for you to choose from. So you want to actually scroll all the way down, and you'll see that at the very bottom in big red, it says delete public profile. So you can go ahead and click on delete public profile. Your public information, everything is going to be deleted. It's going to be restored to a page. So you can go ahead and click on the delete button. And just like that, our account has been restored to a personal profile account.